Okay,
there.
so we're here to learn about cell model, and we're gonna have a movie. So you're eating popcorn, snacks, treats, food,
Oh, yeah.
snack bars, candy bars. Watch and eat.
I'm hungry.
Oh, sorry. So, now we know that the cell is a 3D model and you can look around it. But let's look at some of those cell organelles. One of those cell organelles is the nucleus. The nucleus has the DNA inside of it, and its job is to hold that DNA, split it apart by the nucleolus into RNA, and then create ribosomes with that. These ribosomes travel to the bird. The rough endoplasmic reticulum takes in ribosomes and makes them into all sorts of things. And that goes to the SIR, which takes in that and makes it even more sorts of things. After you get done with left your SIR, you have amino acids, proteins, starches, blah, 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 all this kind of stuff leaving in the SIR. But where does it go? Well, some of it goes straight to the trash cans, the lysosomes. This is a lysosome right here, and its job is to process waste in the cell. Extrasomes are a lesser known organelle in the cell. They also process waste. And of course, the well-known mitochondria, they'll take in some stuff and use it to power themselves. The extrasome also assists in bringing food and nutrients in and out of the cell. So, stuff can leave the SIR, go into the extrasomes, and that will help it leave the cell. But there's also a cellular pore where it can leave. This is the centriole. The centriole's job is to assist in deoxyribonucleic asexual reproduction of the cell. What it does is it has these spindles over here, and they come out like arms and grab onto the DNA on opposite sides, pull it apart, split it apart, rejoin, make new cells. And so, that's what the centriole does.
Yeah, put that up. Okay.
The Golgi bodies are over here, and their job is to put things together, and they export them. I'm sorry, I completely forgot. I had a brain fart and forgot everything. So, we've looked at most of the organelles in the cell, but there are plenty more. A few of them we could cover, and if we went into detail, we'd take hours. But I've just taken 5 minutes of your day to show you this cell. The cytoplasm right here holds them all together, and the cellular membrane holds that one together. So, hope you enjoy my cell presentation. Sometimes your battery is dead. Sometimes it'll get a couple seconds of battery out of it, and I just turn it on and off.
Maybe change this.
Yeah, that's a 3D model I made.